Adam here with Lowry's True Value. You guys ever been frustrated trying to pull your string trimmer? It just makes you want to smash it against a tree, go inside, sit on the couch, have a snack. Landscaping should not be this hard. We have a good solution for you. Let me show you how that works. Now I'm going to show you how easy it is to start my brand new FS91 steel trimmer. Y'all stop by today, check out our full line of STIHL equipment. We got trimmers, blowers, chainsaws, and combi units. Stop by and see us today.